Hello everyone, this is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video, and today we're going to be discussing the cash building system unlimited, and I'm going to just go over basically what to expect when you get started with this system. But not only that, I received some checks in the mail, so I'm going to share a payment proof. And yes, I'm smiling because I'm always excited to see that I am actually getting paid from this system. This is a postcard program opportunity that allows you to earn a steady income from home. Whether you're looking to replace your income or you're looking for additional income, this is a great opportunity to get started with. So before I get into the system, I'm going to just share with you two payments that I received in the mail today. Here's one. This came in directly from the company in the amount of $675. Hopefully you guys can see that pretty clear. That's one payment that I received. And then I also received another payment in the amount of $2,000, $2,055. And this came directly from the company. So just to go over a couple of things, we do get paid directly from the owner. The owner is very transparent. I speak to him on a weekly basis. And whenever I have questions about anything, or if there's any bonuses coming up, he's always there to pretty much guide me and let me know what's actually going on. Please stay till the end of this video because I'm going to also talk about the bonus that we have going on right now and what you're going to receive when you get started with this opportunity. So this is a postcard opportunity. You will be mailing out postcards about this opportunity to people who are interested in this opportunity. And right in the description below is going to be a link that's going to connect you to this website where you can actually get started. And not only that, you can get more information to make an educated decision on whether this is something that works for you. This actually worked for me because when I first got started within the online space, I was having tons of failure, not knowing what to do. And once I was able to tap into postcard marketing and how to promote my opportunity offline, it helped me to basically learn how to make money like clockwork, right? And that's what we want to do, is we want something that's consistent, but not only that, something that actually works. A lot of times people get into opportunities and they just don't work. They don't know how to get started, or they don't have the skill set in order to start bringing in results. And with postcard programs, it's simple enough for anyone to actually duplicate, as long as you're willing to put in the work and the consistency that's necessary. So with this opportunity, we're going to go over the first phase that you will come in at. Everybody joins at phase one right here where it says phase one. It's a $50 one-time payment to get started with this opportunity. You're going to receive 200 of these postcards. This is the back of the postcard. This is the front of the postcard. You're also going to get in the mail when you receive your package, your labels, and it's going to come in an envelope like this, and you're going to get some information with your labels, and these labels are what goes on the front of your postcard. You're going to also get in the mail a form that just shows what level you're at. If you come in at the $500 level or higher, $300 level or higher, you are automatically bumped to the next level. So that's one of the bonuses right now. 300 or higher, you will automatically be bumped to the next level. Also, if you come in at the $300 level or higher, you're going to also receive a 4-day, 3-night vacation of your choice. You will have to pay for the airfare, but you will not have to pay for the fee for the room, okay? So the room will be for free. You do have to pay the taxes, but the actual cost for the room would actually cost nothing to you, and that's at the $300 level or higher. There are no gimmicks. It straight is what it is, okay? So for a 4-day, 3-night of your choice, you're going to be able to receive that at the $300 level or higher, and also a free bump up to the next level when you come in at the $300 level or higher. So phase one is, again, just $50. Phase two starts at $100. After the $100 level, we have a bonus level, which is $300. And then we have a $500 level, okay? With level one, you're going to receive unlimited $70 payments for each person that joins you. At the $300 level, you're going to receive $150 payments for each person that comes in at this level. And at the $500 level, you're going to get unlimited $350 payments for each person that comes in at that level. So now when you're getting 200 leads and postcards at phase 1, when you upgrade, which you can do automatically right away, you don't have to wait, you're going to get an additional 200 postcards and leads at the next level. Every time you upgrade, you will receive additional postcards and leads by mail. Okay, that's how it works. You don't need a P.O. box. If you want to get one, it's up to you. You can use your mailing address because everything that you receive is going to be coming directly from the company. This is not going to be coming from your personal signups. Okay. If you want to join at any level above level 2, you can contact me directly and I'll walk you through how to upgrade to the higher levels. Okay. And this is mainly to make sure that you understand exactly what you're doing and you get everything that you need when you get started at the higher levels. Okay. So level 3 here, it's $1,000. Level 4 is $1,500. Level 5 is $2,000, and it goes all the way up to $5,000, which is level 8. Okay. You get paid these payouts on position 1, and for phase 2, these are the amounts that you get paid for position number 2. The company takes a small 10% fee, monitoring fee, for each and every level that you come in at. Now, let's just say you came in at the $1,500 level, you automatically get access to receive payouts at the levels that are below that level. So you'll be able to receive payouts for the $1,000, the $500, the $300, and $100 level. And you always receive your $25 payments at phase 1. You cannot skip phase 1. You have to start here. Everybody starts at the $50 level. And then once you're ready to upgrade to one of the higher levels, you can do so by sending in a payment for those levels. Okay. This website, I highly recommend getting a website. It will be customized to you. So we'll have your picture, your information here, along with your Facebook URL link here if you are on Facebook. You will also receive on your website the information for the fast action bonuses, which everyone receives on our team, which includes our exclusive trainings that we have twice a month, also information about our discounted postcard stamps, access to our inner circle, which is a private Facebook group to exclusive members only. You also can get one-on-one training if you decide that you need that training. Maybe you don't work in large settings and you want to get one-on-one training, you can do that as well. We have resources for success, which is also in our Facebook group. And we have the Eagles Club. And again, that is only for those who pay at the $1,000 level or higher. So you have to come in at the $1,000 level or higher in order to be a part of the Eagles Club. And this is going to be a high intensive group training that we will have with those members who come in at this level. Okay, you will get a Zoom link and that will give you access to this training. So I was able to do $50,000 in my first year of postcard mailing, and the rest has been history since then, earning a full-time income with postcard mailing. And not only that, promoting this opportunity online and offline. Okay. When you get started, you want to just get plugged into the Facebook group as quickly as possible, but also get into the chat room, get the training replays because they are recorded. Make sure you attend the webinars and the trainings that we have. They're always you always get notified at least 4 to 5 days in advance when we have our live trainings and our webinars, because we want you guys to start getting payments like this. And a way to do so is to get plugged in, stay consistent, and stay connected. Okay. So again, if you want more information, in the description below is information about the opportunity. Also a way to reach out to me if you need to. If you have already signed up to me, please send me a message via email, text messaging, or through Facebook Messenger, so I can make sure that you have everything that you need in order to get started. Also, if you're looking to upgrade to receive the bonuses, make sure to reach out to me. Or again, you can click on the description below and that'll give you information for you to be able to upgrade to the next level. So thank you so much for watching this video. Stay inspired, stay blessed, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a great day.
Look.